The Web Intelligence Interactive Viewer provides you with an intuitive interface for consulting, filtering, and organizing your report data. I'll give you a tour of the interface so you can benefit fully from all its features. Right now, we're in an open document in the Web Intelligence Interactive Viewer. The main components of the Web Intelligence Interactive Viewer are the main toolbar, the Vanishing Toolbar, and the left panel. You can work in the interface using either a mouse or a touch screen. The select actions that I show you correspond to a left click with a mouse or a tap on a touch screen. This button on the main toolbar lets you switch between the standard and advanced modes. We're in standard mode now, and that's where you consult, filter, and drill data. You go to advanced mode to rank and sort the data. As you can see, you have access to the same toolbars and left panel in both modes. When you first open a document, you may want some general information about it. You can select Document Summary to find that information. It shows you who created the document and when, the last time the document was refreshed, and the last time its design changed. If you think the data from the last refresh is no longer current, you can select the Refresh button to retrieve the most up-to-date data from the data source. Here, you see the options activated for the report that you are currently viewing. You select the report that you want to view in the Report menu, which lists all the reports in the document. For an overview of the data in the report and how it is organized into sections, select the navigation map. This view is especially useful when you have a lot of data in your report because it lets you jump directly to the data in the section or subsection of your choice. When the report has so many sections that you can't see them all in the navigation map, you can use the search to locate the section that interests you. In the comments area, you can add a comment to the report element that you select, and you can see, edit, or delete comments added previously. For a comfortable view of the data in your report, you can use the Vanishing Toolbar. The Vanishing Toolbar shows when you move your mouse downward, or on a touchscreen when you swipe downward at either the top or the bottom of the report. On the toolbar, you have buttons for adjusting the display of the report. The Fit to Page button shows the full length of the report page in a single screen. The Fit to Width button shows the full width of the report in a single screen. The Select Zoom button gives you a slider to define the % zoom for the display. On a touchscreen, you can also zoom in by pinching 2 fingers inward or zoom out by spreading 2 fingers outward. The Toolbar Arrow buttons let you flip through the pages of your report. Or you can type the page number here and press Enter to go directly to the page. The Vanishing Toolbar also has a button for showing the navigation map in the left panel. When the button is blue, selecting the button closes the panel. You can also close the left panel with this X. Let's come back up to the main toolbar and the Save button. When you select Save As to save the document as a new file, you can also set advanced options for it, such as refreshing it automatically when it opens, or saving the comments with the document. We'll go to a different report to look at the Filter button. The Filter button lets you show or hide the input controls for the report you are viewing. Input controls limit the data that shows in your report. More specifically, the prompt values limit the data retrieved from the data source and stored in the document. And filters and other input controls limit the data displayed in the report. You can use the Undo and Redo buttons to reverse a previous action. Now let's look at what you can do from the More menu. You can switch between Page Mode or Quick Display Mode for your report. The menu shows Page Mode right now because the report is presently showing in Quick Display Mode. You can enable or disable folding actions in your report. Again, this menu option changes according to whether the folding actions are presently enabled or not. You can open the document in Designer to change the report design, export individual reports or the entire document to files in Excel, PDF, or HTML formats. You can send the document to users and groups, show the document properties in the left panel, check the version of Web Intelligence Interactive Viewer that you are using, and check the application help for information or instructions. So that completes our tour of the Web Intelligence Interactive Viewer interface.